Good day everyone, especially to our instructors earlier Koyus, and today we will discuss the procedures for preventing pollution of harmful substances in package form by following the provision of Annex 3. The purpose of Annex 3 is protects the marine environment and promotes safe shipping of harmful packaged substances. To prevent pollution of the sea from harmful substances that are carried in package form. The regulations in Annex 3 were developed to identify marine pollutants and to make sure they are packaged, labeled, documented, and stored properly. The goal is to prevent these harmful substances from polluting the sea. And that's all. Thank you.